This crispy potato recipe is perfect for tea time, lunch boxes, or evening cravings. Made with simple ingredients and quick steps, this recipe gives you perfectly coated, flavorful, and golden potatoes every single time. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Tanzina. So let's make the recipe. Take half cup of yogurt in a bowl. Add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon chicken tandoori masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chilli flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything gently until smooth. Make sure there are no lumps. Here I am taking 3 medium-sized potatoes and cut into medium-sized pieces. Keep the potato pieces in a bowl and add warm water. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt to the water. Let them soak for 10 minutes. This step helps the potatoes become soft. Add the soaked potatoes to the yogurt mixture. Make sure every potato piece is covered nicely. Mix gently without breaking the potatoes. Once coated, add 2 tablespoons rice flour to the bowl. Mix again until all potatoes look well coated. If it looks too thin, add a little more rice flour. Now the potatoes are ready for frying. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Add the coated potato pieces one by one. Fry them without overcrowding the pan. Fry until the potatoes turn golden brown. They will become crispy from outside. Remove them when fully cooked. Place them on tissue paper to remove extra oil. This crispy potato recipe is quick, delicious, and perfect for any time. Serve them with ketchup or your favorite dip. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.